Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn angle relationships and parallel lines together, step by step. Before parallel lines, know your angle pairs. Vertical angles sit across from each other where two lines cross, and they're always equal. A linear pair forms a straight line, so they add to 180 degrees. Complementary angles add to 90. These relationships are the tools we'll use again and again today. When one line, a transversal, cuts two parallel lines, 8 angles appear. Corresponding angles, in matching positions, are equal. Alternate interior angles, on opposite sides between the lines, are also equal. And co-interior angles, on the same side between the lines, add to 180. These three rules unlock almost every problem. Two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. One angle measures 3x plus 10, and its corresponding angle is 70 degrees. Since corresponding angles are equal, 3x plus 10 equals 70. Subtract 10 to get 3x equals 60, then divide by 3, so x equals 20. Always match the rule to the angle's position first. Now two co-interior angles on the same side between the parallels. One is 2x, the other is x plus 30. Co-interior angles are supplementary, so they add to 180. That gives 3x plus 30 equals 180. Subtract 30 for 3x equals 150, so x equals 50. The angles become 180 degrees. Here's your cheat sheet. Vertical, corresponding, and alternate interior angles are all equal. Co-interior angles are supplementary, adding to 180. The trick is reading the picture. Spot where the angle sits, name the relationship, then write the equation. Do that and parallel line problems become almost automatic. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.